new video tutorial, and in this video tutorial we will create a login page, or else we can also say sign in page, using our Google email ID. Why we are going to log in? Because we want a download option in the future. We want to download the songs and then play in the offline. Okay, that is the reason why we need this page. Okay, let's go straight away. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and like, share, and hit the bell icon for latest notification. And first we'll create a main page before creating the sign in page. So for that, click on the add screen, and then here write main page. Okay, click create, and in a moment it should create a new page for us. We'll set the align horizontal to center and then align vertical to center as well. And of course, we'll keep it as it is as of now. And then we'll drag here a label. Okay, and then here we will write the name of, we'll give a text to the label. Welcome to main page. Okay, and then the text align will be center, of course, or maybe we can increase the font to 18, and then we can also change the color to green. Okay, as of now we will keep it as it is. Now let's go and create another page. Okay, before that, let's go to our screen one. Actually, in reality, this is the main page, but we want to show the user that this is not the main page, but the main page is the main page that we just created. Okay, so we will, whenever the apps open, we will directly divert the user to this main page. So for that, we need here, we go to block, and then in here, let's go to our control, and then here we have this page is called open another screen, right? Just drag and drop in the below of the when screen one initialize, and give the name of the page. So the page that we just created is name is main page. Okay, main page. So as soon as it opens this page, it will divert us to this main page. Okay, we will be in this page. I'll just show you main page. Okay, now here in this page we will check again, so whether the user is logged in or not. Okay, so go to Google, and then here drag and drop this Firebase authentication. So it's telling us to get the Firebase JSON file, right? So let's go to our Firebase console, and this is the app that we created in our first video tutorial of this series. Go to project overview and click on the settings, and then click on the project settings. Okay, as of now I will remove this app and create a new one for you. There are four icons here: iOS, Android, web, and then Unity. Click on the click on the Android, and then we need a package name. So go to this app, and then go to screen one. This is the main page. Actually, go to advanced properties, and then here we will give the name of the package com dot, give anything, you can give your email user ID also, no problem, mp3. Okay, copy this. Okay, once you copy, go back to online music player and then paste it here, and then give the name music streaming or music player. Okay, and then here we need key store. Okay, for that, let's go back to our Codular, and then go to our account, and then here we have settings. Highlight all this key store SHA-1. Okay, and right click, and then you can copy it, cross it, go back to our Firebase again, paste it here and register the app. Okay, once we register, there should be an option for us to download the JSON file, and this is the one. Click on the download Google service.json and then click on next. Okay, and then click on next again, and then click on the skip this step, right? So, and you can see your page is here. So let's go back to Codular, and then uh, let's upload from in the asset. Let's upload the this from the download this JSON. Okay, okay. Maybe I have two JSON. So okay, let's go back to our download, and then to make it easy for us, let's delete both of this. Okay, and go back to our online stream, and then here you can see JSON. Just click on that Google service.json, services.json, sorry. Click that and it should download again. Yeah, now it is downloaded. Now go to Codular again, upload asset, and now you can see this JSON. This is the JSON. Just open it and it should upload for you. Cross the page, first check whether it is uploaded or not. Okay, this is the one you cannot view. Okay, cross it and then go back to our main page. Okay, here go to the block and then go to the main page. Click on the main page on the left side, and here you will have when main page initializes. Okay, so when main page initializes with a condition wherein we go to Firebase authentication again, and we will check whether the user is signed in or not. Okay, okay. For that, go to logic again and drag this not, which means if the user is not signed in, then we will divert the user to our new page that we have not created. We will create in a short moment. So for that, click on the add screen and give the name sign in page. Okay, and click create, and in a moment the page should be opened. So we already have a sign in page name. Okay, we don't need to worry. Let's go back to the main page again, where we just configured here. So here, go to a control, and then here go to this page, what is called okay, this is the one, open screen, right? Open another screen name. What is the screen name just we created? The screen name is okay, sign in page, right? Okay, so here if we are in the main page, and by default we will be in the main page because the main screen one is diverting us to this page. So it will check whether we are signed in or not. If we are not signed in, it will take us to this page called sign in page. Okay, but if we are signed in, we will remain in this page. Okay, as of now, this must you have understood, I hope. So we will go to our now sign in page and make some changes and add some functionality. Let's go to our sign in page. Now we are in our sign in page. Here we'll remove this title of the page, remove this, and then set the page align to center, vertical and horizontal both shall be center. Okay, and then we will drag and drop this Firebase authentication here as well, and now go to the interface, user interface, and drag and drop this image. Okay, then drag this label as well. Okay, and now go to layout, go to general, and then drag the space in between the image and the label, and give the height to 15 pixel, and change this image name to sign in button. Okay, sign in button, and then change this label to status. Label status, right? Rename it. Okay, now in the label status, go to the width, set the width to fill parent, and the text align to center, and the text will be, let it be as it is as of now. Change the text color to green color, and then set the font type to font awesome, or we can also set it to bold, and then it should not be clickable, right? And go to a sign in button, set to it clickable, and here we need an image. Let's go to our asset and then upload a new image. In my desktop I have this Google sign in image. Upload it, wait for some time, and now go back to the picture, and then from the select it and set the width to 150 pixel and the height to 45 pixels. Okay, right? Now go to label and then empty this text. By default we don't want to show the text. Okay, now go to the block, and then here go to this sign in button. Okay, when this sign in button is clicked, we sign in with our email ID. You can see our Google sign in, just drag and drop here. Okay, then when the sign in is successful, this is the one, then we want to set the label. Where is our label? Status label. Yeah, this is our label. Where is the text? No, sorry, there is a space. This is our label, and then we search for the text. Okay, set the text, and then go to text, and then from here drag this join. Okay, and then set the name of the person, username, here new username. Okay, and then after setting the username, set the text also, so and so you have, okay, you have logged in successfully. Okay, okay, you will be redirected to main page, sorry, in a moment. Okay, we are telling the user that you will be directed to main page. So how do we redirect? For that, go to our control, and then here we have this name call. Open another screen, and in the text drag this empty text and set it here. Okay, and give a name of this page, main page. Okay, so he will be, or she will be directed to the main page. But in case it fails, okay, in case it fails to log in, so in that case what we will do, grab this again, duplicate this by right clicking, paste it here, and take this only, and then remove this, right? Just write logged in failed. Okay, try again. Okay, but we want the label text to be red color. Okay, we'll, since it is a warning, we'll set the color, text color to maybe we'll set it to red color, right? We should have your color, and then just drag and drop here, so the text color will be red. After we are done, okay, when here when we were before showing the color, because it is already red, so next time when it logins we don't want to show the same color. So for that we go and set the TL color, right? Now we should have somewhere here. I think this is the one, TL color. Okay. Okay, as of this is okay now. So we are diverted to the page, to the main page from here. Okay. So we can check. Okay, let's go to design. Do one thing. Let's run it in our app and see how it is. So friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest notification on the video that I upload. So I'll scan my QR code. There's the QR code. Once it is scanned, it should download for us. Download the file. Cancel because we have already triggered the download process. Open, click on the done and go to the main page where you have installed. This is the one, mp3. Okay, here I will click on the sign in with Google and it should prompt me with my user ID. Welcome back to. Okay, I am signed in, so it diverted me to the main page. You can see here it's very nice. We have, since we are successful sign in, so we are here. Okay, if we give back, it goes to the back page. See, it says Aham, you have logged in successfully. You will be redirected to main page in a moment. You can see when you give back again, it comes here. Okay,